Welcome to Helen, Georgia, a small town hidden in the Appalachian Mountains. Helen was founded in the late 19th century as a logging community. For decades, it was a simple place, tied to the river and the timber industry. But in the 1960s, when the local economy began to decline, its residents came up with something extraordinary. They transformed the entire town into a Bavarian-style alpine village, with wooden balconies, colorful facades, and cobblestone charm. Today, in the heart of Georgia, the American South meets the magic of Bavaria. With pointed roofs, flower-filled balconies, and a festive spirit, Helen has become one of the most visited destinations in the state. Our journey begins along Helen's Main Street. Every building is designed in the alpine style, wooden balconies, bright flowers in the windows, and signs written in Bavarian fonts. Along the way, you'll find souvenir shops, cuckoo clocks, gnomes, handcrafts, and traditional costumes that keep the European spirit alive. There are also restaurants serving authentic German food, from bratwurst and schnitzel to giant pretzels paired with local craft beer. And of course, the sweet shops are everywhere. Stores filled with chocolates, candies, and homemade ice cream that fill the street with irresistible aromas. What's fascinating about Helen is that it isn't just a facade. The community truly embraces this identity. Bavarian music, seasonal festivals, and traditional German cuisine have become a real part of everyday life here. Helen is much more than a picturesque destination. It's a blend of history, culture, and nature that surprises every visitor. In this first part, we explored one side of Main Street and enjoyed the river. But there's still so much more to discover. In the next chapter, we'll explore the other side of the street. With more shops, flavors, local breweries, and new surprises that make Helen a truly unique place. But Helen doesn't live only through its streets. The Chattahoochee River also flows at its heart, bringing fresh mountain energy. In the summer, tubing becomes one of the town's favorite attractions. Families and friends float down the river on giant inflatable tubes. Laughter, relaxation, and fun carried gently by the current. It's a summertime tradition that fills this alpine corner of the South with life.